Hello, it's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. If it's your first time, consider subscribing. And if you are a returnee, it's a pleasure having you here. For without you, there'll be no me. Yeah, you're welcome to today's edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. Is there somebody owing you money and has refused to pay? Send this video to them and bet they'll call you before the end of this week, paying your money or explaining to you why they haven't paid and promising to pay you pretty soon. This video works, guys. Send it to anybody that is owing you money and you'll see what will happen. Make sure you come back to the comment section below to tell me how it worked for you. Let's jump right into it now. Hello everyone, it's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. If it's your first time, consider subscribing. The red subscribe button below, okay? Hit on it and, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And if you're a returnee, it's always a pleasure having you back here. Bros, calm down. It's okay. Don't worry. Thank you, my brother. I'm calm. Thank you. See, it's perfectly okay to be in a financial fix. You're broke and you approach friends and family for a loan. No problem. It's okay. These are the two sets of people who are likeliest to give you interest-free loans. Interest-free loans are lifesavers. Okay? Now, what is not okay is when you refuse to repay the loan that you were given. It's an irresponsible thing to do when somebody gives you a loan and you refuse to repay. Now, you come to me and say, Victor, you are my friend. I've known you since we were in secondary school. Please, my wife just gave birth and I need money for baby food and all that, but there's this money I'm expecting. I'm expecting one money next month. So when you give me the money now, I'll pay back the money by next month. A friend in need is a friend indeed. I count this money and I gave to you, not like I have surplus, but I just felt that this money I won't be needing it till next month. And you say you are going to pay me next month. What are friends for? I don't need the money yet. I carry the money and I gave to you. Somebody very wise and smart called me aside and told me, are you sure this large sum of money you want to give this person as a loan? I told the person, on your behalf, come on, me and this guy, we go way back. He cannot disappoint me. He's a responsible person. I defended you. I defended you. I made a mistake defending you. Now, 1 month passed. I saw you. I met with you. We discussed. What did we discuss? You were discussing football with me. You have the mind to be discussing football with me. You were discussing politics. You were telling me about how you do exercise in the morning, how you do push-up. You are keeping fit. You are keeping fit, discussing irrelevant things with me. You're not talking about the money you are owing me. No problem. 2 months passed. 3 months passed. You're still not talking about my money. Deliberately, you're taking my kindness for granted. See, when family and friends give you loan, they try to be as informal as possible. They are not discussing the repayment terms with you. Okay? They are very flexible. You're not having any written legal agreements or stuff because they assume that you are responsible. Okay? They do not want to spoil the relationship you have. It is because of people who don't repay their loans that makes people say when family and friends approach you for loans, give them amounts of money that you can afford to lose, under the assumption that they may not pay back. And in your process of getting a repayment, it can sever the relationship that you have with them. That's why they say so. It is irresponsible for you to get an interest-free loan from somebody and refuse to pay. Okay? If you do that, you have built a wall there. You don't go about building walls, you go about building bridges. Somebody gave you an interest-free loan. Such a person would be more delighted to give you loan another time if you repay on time. Even the websites and applications that give out loans, that's how they do. You increase your credit score by fast repayment. If you repay your loan fast, you get another loan next time. Stop being irresponsible. Stop being irresponsible. You're owing me money. You're owing me money. And I'm looking into your eyes and shaking my head. Don't you know what I mean? I know that you know why I'm looking into your eyes. But you look away. You discuss other things. You just want us to quarrel. And you know I have a temper. If I ask you this money and you don't come forth with something reasonable, you know we are going to quarrel. Okay? It's okay when you're owing somebody and the due date for repayment as promised by you has come. You meet the person and you are like, you explain to them, this is the situation, this is the situation. Hopefully, I should be able to pay back by so and so time. That's okay. But the most annoying part is when you act like all is well. My brother, nothing is well. Nothing is well when you are owing somebody. Okay? How can you be owing somebody and you be looking good, wearing expensive clothes and spraying perfume on top? And you are owing. You are owing your landlord. You live in the same compound as your landlord. But every week you are hosting friends. You are hosting family. You are throwing parties. What signal are you passing to that person you are owing? Please, dear subscribers, do not destroy your opportunity to get interest-free loans. Banks will not give you. Financial institutions will not give you. Those people are hardcore business people that are out there to make money. The only people that are likeliest to give you interest-free loans are family and friends. And when they do, don't make them regret giving it to you. Now, is there somebody owing you out there? You don't know how to ask them because of your relationship with them. You know what you do? Share this video with them. Like, I saw a very interesting video. Watch it. Send it to them. When they are watching it, they will be remembering that they are owing you. Yes, they are very adamant people, but when you send this video to them, they will remember. You'll be looking into their eyes. You'll be giving them signal that they are owing you. You need your money. No, they will do as if they don't observe anything again. They are not observant people. Okay? Let me see your comments in the comment section below. Till I see you next time, it's bye for now. Bros, calm down. No, I'm calm. I'm not angry. I'm okay. Thank you.